Sabrent USB Type-C SATA 2.5 inches 3.5 inches dual bay hard drive docking station, offline cloning, up to 5 gigabits per second, tool-free installation, ECCH2B. The Sabrent Type-C SATA hard drive docking station enables you to access desktop or laptop hard drives, without the frustration of assembling hard drive enclosures. By inserting a 2.5 SATA hard drive directly into this docking station, you can quickly access drive contents and transfer files. Additionally, you can swap out hard drives effortlessly with plug-and-play mounting. System requirements: Windows OS, Mac OS. Features: read and write 2 hard drives simultaneously. Supports offline clone up to 60 ms. Plug-play, hot swappable. Tool-free installation. Transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Supports 2.5 inches 3.5 inches SATA HDD. HDD access LED indicator. Top reviews from the United States. Not a NAS, but as a great multi-disk dock. Summary: if you need a dock for multiple hard drives, this is a great product.